I probably shouldn't say this, but at times I get so scared when I think about the previous relationship we've shared. It was awesome, but we've lost it. It's impossible for me.
In the rain, and nothing's ever gonna change until you're here.
My dear, there's everything about you. There's everything about you. Oh, yeah. You've been your jerk, you're insecure. You love me, you like her. You made me laugh, you made me cry, but I don't know which side to buy. Girlfriends say jerks when you act like them, and you know it hurts. I wanna be the one I know. And the seventh thing.